Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 29th, our word of the day is pallid. P-A-L-L-I-D. Pallid. Pallid is a 6-letter word and an adjective. Remember, adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns: enormous, dog-like, silly, yellow, fun, fast. They can also describe the quantity of nouns: many, few, millions, 11. Pallid means very pale, in a way that looks unhealthy and not attractive. Similar words include ashen, ashy, blanched, cadaverous, doughy, livid, lurid, mealy, pale, pasty, peaked, colorless. Examples of sentences using pallid are: I looked at her, her usually glowing face was pallid. Next to his tanned face, hers seemed pallid and unhealthy. These guys never go home, they are all white and pallid and beefy. He was determined to tan his pallid body but did not want to expose his feeble frame to others. I could see that his skin was pasty and pallid, his eyes dark and cloudy. A pinched smile that looked painful instead of cheerful worked across Mom's pallid face. Make sure to save this new word, pallid, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.